nothing will guarantee success or that things will turn out okay, but you have to still remain positive. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is putting yourself out there, putting yourself in situations where you're trying to grow, putting yourself in situations where you become a better you, become successful, whatever that looks like to you. And it's important to realize that success is not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed that everything will turn out okay, but you have to remain positive. You know, there's a lot that can be said about someone that's done their best, someone that's put their effort, their all into becoming the best version of themselves. Put your effort into a relationship, put all your 100% effort into building your business, put in 100% effort into nourishing your relationships surrounding family and friends. Sometimes there's no guarantee that, you know, but just because you put in 100%, it doesn't mean that you should expect to win, you should expect to be successful, you should expect to have a successful relationship. There's so many other factors that could get in the way, but it's important to remain positive. It's important to think, do you know what, as long as I've given it my all, I have nothing to lose. As long as I have put my effort 100% into something, the most I can do is try. There's nothing else I could have done. You know, there's peace in knowing that you put 100% effort into something, even though it doesn't work out. You know that you've given it your all, and there are no regrets. So whatever it may be that you're currently dealing with, you're currently trying to conquer, a business that you're trying to grow, whatever it may be, you know, as long as you give it your all, then at that point you've already won. You've put yourself out there, you know, you've risked it all. Part of growing and becoming the best version of yourself is giving things 100% effort, things you care about. It finally doesn't work out, but then something else will work out. It's just being able to put yourself in a situation where you're pushing through and you're giving it your all. You know, be happy that you got involved. Let's say you're trying to write a book. Even if you get one reader, just know that you've changed their life. Maybe you've taken them out of a situation that they're currently going through just for a small period of time. Maybe you've taught them something new. Maybe one line in your book has made them turn their life around. It doesn't mean that your book has to be the best selling book, but as long as it impacts one life, you know. So it's important to realize that the key is putting 100% effort into something. When you do that, you've won, regardless of how things turn out. Just stay positive. Just trust that, you know, you're putting everything you can, you're doing your best, you're only going to be rewarded. It's just a matter of time. And I always think what's for you will always be for you, and you just can't give up because things aren't going great right now. Maybe it's just not your time, and maybe it will come when you least expect it, but the key is to be able to put 100% effort. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.